Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to open and run a Windows.exe program. So first of all we have to import subprocess. No, I'm not going to use subprocess, I'm just going to use OS. So you need to import OS here. There's a couple of ways we can do this, but I'm going to do it using OS today. Okay, so let's create a function called open program. Okay, so we're going to type in a variable called program and we're going to assign it to input. This is to get the user input, and we'll just type in enter program .exe so the user knows what to do. So they'll enter the name of a program that's a .exe on the end of it. Okay, now we're going to do the conditional. We're going to check to see if the program exists in the current directory. So we go if os.path.exists, and this is going to be the program that we typed in here, so we'll type in the program variable. So if what we typed in here exists, we're going to do something. We're going to print a message to the user saying running program. And we're going to give it a little pause by using time.sleep. Here I'm going to pause it for 1 second, so before it executes the program it will pause for 1 second. Now in order to run the program we're going to use os.system and simply program variable here, and it'll run the program that we typed in there. Now we're going to use the else statement or the catch-all. If that's not the case, we're going to print something like print program not found or something like that, just a generic error message. Okay, we'll just save that. Now all we have to do is call it, so we call it by its name, and it's called open program. We save it, we run it, and okay, we're going to type in a program here. I'm just going to type in notepad.exe, hit enter. Oh, program not found. That's strange. Okay, I forgot to add one thing on here, so we're going to import shuttle. This deals with files. If you don't already have shuttle on board, you're going to have to install it using pip. Okay, so what we do here, we do an OR statement, shuttle dot which and program here. We should be good to go. So this will check if the program can be found. Okay. Right, we should be good to go there. So let's just save that again. Let's run it again. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger. So let's do it again. Notepad.exe, hit enter. Running program, and there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.